place to go. I'm thinking somewhere around there, maybe. Pretty high up, I can see sheep and everything. So I'll see you guys when I set up my camp. Let me show you guys the view. That is beautiful. Oh my god, that's actually beautiful. I'm scared of heights, by the way. I don't know how this is gonna pan out. Oh, it's very windy. I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna snack on my biscuits. I could have built a tent, man. It's too windy. It's genuinely, it's too windy. I feel like I think I'm too high. I'm too high up, and it's too windy as well. So I have two choices. I either wait for the wind to calm down so I can build my tent, or relocate, go somewhere lower. I've had to relocate because it was too windy, but to be fair, whilst I was going to my car, trying to go somewhere else, I've come across this little bit, like, it's sort of just, how do you say it? Just surrounded by like these bushes here, and it's sort of stopping the windfall. So I'm thinking maybe I could just camp here for the night because the wind's calming down, but this area seems to be fine. This seems to be fine. I might just camp maybe over there or just around here. I'll have to figure it out. I've managed to build my tent, but when I was previously trying to build it, it broke one of the actual the wires or the connectors or whatever. It kind of just it snapped, sort of. It snapped like half, 50% of it snapped. But I mean, it's not the best, but a tent is a tent, right? A tent is indeed a tent. Right. The tent is done. It's this bit here has sort of snapped, but it's doable. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna lay down the sleeping mat, get myself nice and cozy. I've had to close the thing because it's proper windy, so like if I leave it open, the wind is just gonna try and push this tent back, and this tent, sorry, is not stable. It's not stable at all. But I'm inside. I think I've put it the other way around. Oh, I'm gonna have to change that because I don't want the raindrops to come through. But do you know what? This is better than last time. This is really better than last. Oh my, it's really good. I'm so glad. I thought I'd have to go somewhere else, but hopefully the wind just slows down, calms down a bit. I'm just gonna lay down for a bit. I'm knackered. I've built a tent. I've built a tent. This is gonna be it for today. It's bigger than the last one. The last one I threw in the bin. Before I even got home, I said, no, leave this. I'm not gonna use this tent again. But this is, I've got some food here. Let me show you the space. It's a bit windy, but I mean, I've got plenty of space. Whew. I know I probably shouldn't be doing this inside, but it is too windy outside, so I'm gonna take the chance. Ah. Okay, let's go and see if we have a nice sunset. Wow, not really much of a sunset around this area, but let's go higher. Actually, I'm gonna close my tent off. Let's go. I've got my car keys with me, so if anyone steals anything from the tent, well, there's not gonna be anyone here anyway. But even if anyone tries to steal anything, oh, it's beautiful. Oh my god, it's actually pretty. Getting a bit cold now. Oh look, there's my tent. There's my tent. Look. Oh my god, that's so cute. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Only if it was a bit higher, the hills are blocking the sunset. It's so windy. Let's go back in the tent. It's too windy. On the way back to the tent now. Look how well camouflaged it is, by the way. Can't even tell. Where is it? I can't see anything. Where is it? Oh, it's over there. Oh my god. But it's really nice. I'm gonna go in the tent now. I'm gonna watch a movie. I've downloaded a movie on Netflix. I'm gonna watch the movie. Just relax. I might come back out. But it's getting cold. It's getting cold. So I might just get my sleeping bag out and just cuddle with myself. Oh, back in the tent now, and I have the goodies here. If you've watched the last video, I don't really need to tell you what it is. It is mixed with squash, so this is gonna be my supper, and we might call it a night today because I do need to wake up really early. I have an interview tomorrow, so I need to be home by 8 o'clock. So before I go sleep, I've realized I haven't opened my sleeping bag yet. So let me do that now. I'm gonna put all this aside. This is my sleeping bag, which I've been using as a pillow. This, honestly, I got it from B&M today, £10. £10, so I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna open it now, see what it's about. I've got this little bit of insulation here, so it's just keeping the floor a bit soft and a bit warmer. Not doing the greatest of jobs, but better than nothing. And let's have a little peek. Let's open this. Okay, so my head goes through here, and I've also got my pillow from the last trip I made. Let me open that quickly. This is my pillow. This was, I believe, a fiver. I don't know. I got it from Go Outdoor. It's called the Euro Hike. And this, it's a bit squished up. It's like very small now. I might need to like just fold it and then sleep on it like that. Everything I've done so far is either a first or a second time. I'm very new to this whole camping thing. I feel like a mermaid. I feel like a mermaid. Right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna go to bed. I think. I don't know. I might go on my phone for a bit, watch the movie. I need to wee. So let's get out the tent. Go for a little wee. Wee. There's my tent. Right, let's open the tent. If you can find the zipper. And this is my bedroom for today. Right, I'm gonna go sleep. I was going for my second wee, but I opened my window and I saw this and it looks so beautiful. Let me show you guys. Wow, look at the stars. This is me here. This is what it looks like. Look up in the sky. That is beautiful. Wow. It's 1 a.m. and it's so windy. This noise just keeps waking me up. And that's the tent trying to move. Oh, it's 5:30. It's windy. It is absolutely freezing. It is very cold. I think it was raining a little bit. It might still be raining. That was really not a good time sleeping. My back, my back is very, it's in pain. My back is in pain. But I'm gonna pack everything away now. It was a pleasure making this video. I really did enjoy myself, to be fair. I can't lie. I'm enjoying the aspects of camping. Please let me know if there is anywhere else you guys would like me to go. Here we are. That looks amazing. That looks really amazing. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. That was an adventure. I would definitely argue this, waking up to this, is probably one of the best moments of camping. I mean, just look at that. I mean, there's nothing else I need to say, really. That's beautiful, right? Wow. That's it. I'm gonna disassemble this now. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please do let me know if there's anywhere else you guys would like me to go. Till next time, guys. Love you all. Ooh, just before I go, look at the sunrise just over there. That is beautiful. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Okay, bye now.